Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My channel is about handbag, SLG and jewelry reviews that I purchase regardless of brand or price, as I personally love items that are well made, good quality. If you love this type of video, perhaps you click on the subscribe button below and the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Today I have an unboxing here, and this handbag I'm influenced by Beckman. I'll link her video below that she shared in her video about this handbag. I would like to try this style for quite a while. Let me show you what is this. This is a real unboxing because I have took out the box only, but I have not really opened up since it arrived. Let me just cut it out. Let's cut the bag. Yes. As you can see, it is from Tiffany and Fred. Let me just take out the bag. Look at this, it is well stuffed. Oh, they do have a dust bag as well. This is the dust bag, which is a very nice color. And this is Tiffany and Fred from Paris. And it is a very nice and soft dust bag. Let me just pick out the stuffing. Ta-da! Yes. Do you remember this style? And they do have this pouch that I can put inside. If I were to put my things, I can still put the pouch inside here if I want to. And they do have this crochet with this lock. It is very nice lock. This is in silver. Let me just get it done. Let me just cut this tab off. This is Picotin light from Hermes. So I got it from eBay, which is at a very good price. It is a very soft leather, and the interior is also very similar to Hermes Picotin. It has this raw leather inside. It is written here Tiffany and Fred. It's just an empty hole, and it does have feet here. I like to try this style actually before I get the real Picotin. And as we all know, it is so difficult even to get a Picotin from Hermes. But right now, just let me try out this style first. If I were to get, I can get it from a pre-loved market for this Picotin in other colors, or maybe the same color as this. This is tan color. This is a very summery color. And I love this color so much. It is very cute. I can just put organizer inside if I want to. If not, I can just leave it like that. I saw this video from Beckman and she influenced me to get this. Actually, it is really a good idea to try out first, because otherwise, no point getting a real one, and at the end of the day, I may not like the style, or it may not work for my lifestyle. The style look alike, they are not fake. I think so, if I'm not wrong, it's size 18. It's just a small one. This is a good size to try out. And on top of that, I did get a shoulder strap for this. I know this doesn't come with a shoulder strap, but I got a shoulder strap almost the same color as this. We just do put in strap our own for our own convenience, and this is one of it that I understand that some of the YouTubers, they do buy a strap from Etsy or from Amazon to put in this strap. This strap makes it longer a bit, and I can carry this. I would say maybe not crossbody, but maybe I can carry it on the shoulder. So with this strap, it is also very convenient to hold it, not just handheld. This strap is very soft and maneuverable. I'm so glad that I get my hands on this and try it out first. Do let me know if you have any question with regards to this. I'll link the video from Beckman below, and do check out her video. She has a lot of video for Hermes inspired handbag, which is an alternative, which is a good one. If let's say you're not too sure about the style, whether you like it or not, or even before getting one, even from the pre-loved market, which you have to spend so much of money. So it is good to try out the style first. For that matters, like constant or whatsoever, to try out the style, whether you like the style first or not, before going ahead to pull the trigger to purchase one. Nowadays, being in this economy, I have to be very prudent in my spending. That's why I'm so happy to get this Picotin Hermes look-alike handbag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know if you have any question regards to this, and thank you very much for watching. do click on the subscribe button and the notification button if you haven't, so that you get a notification each time I upload a new video. And those are returning, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again. Bye bye.